ComSops, the electrical section, there's actually a provision that says inspectors are not required to inspect lightning arresters. But lightning arresters are such a common presence on commercial buildings, such as this building that we're at here, that I think we need to talk about them for a moment. Within lightning arresters, they have a specific purpose. They are placed on the building so that we know if lightning strikes the building, it will capture that electricity and send it to ground. And so what we'll have, in this case, a completely interconnected cabling that has all of these spikes and mounting brackets across the entire building. There's specific provisions in the National Electric Code that says the placement. That's not our responsibility. But our responsibility, while we're not inspecting them, should be, in this case, describing the fact that they're not attached. Where if you see them attached, do they appear to be securely fastened to the building? In this particular case, I see these. I don't touch lightning arresters. I don't know if there's any loose electricity to it. If I had a non-contact voltage sniffer, I would touch it to see with the tester. In this particular case, I don't. And so I'm going to leave this alone. But my report is going to have visual documentation to show that this lightning arresting system is not attached. Some of the other signs, though, you might look at, you might look for areas of the mounting. You might look for areas that will see the down wires that are connected throughout the building. You could absolutely look for that. We do have gallery items on your CCPIA website that does show traditional placement of these that you could actually use as a reference. But we can see in this particular case, as we look around this building, that there is a significant portion of this lightning arresting system that is not attached and not effectively protecting this building. When looking at the lightning arresters, if you are going to want to know where the proper placement is, in most buildings, it's in the corners as well as an intermediate, depending on the length of the building, that spacing. Again, you are not providing a specific lightning arrestor inspection. But this is a great example here. I have a rod on the corners as well as an intermediate between those two spaces. We'll see that around the rest of the building. But lightning arresters are not part of the ComSop, but they are something that you should be familiar with. The proper placement of lightning arresters is not part of the ComSop. But as you see behind me, I do have some great examples of where common lightning arresters will be placed. They're often placed in corners of buildings and then in the intermediate areas based on the spacing that is the requirements of that system. But I just wanted to make sure that we noted where they should be so that you can make a reference in your report to the significant details where they're not properly attached.